Hi, I'm Amanda. In today's video, I'm doing a room tour of my bedroom. So here is my Stitch sleeping bag that I use to sleep when I sleep here. My knitted blanket that I bought at a craft sale for $75. It came with a pillow, which was pretty reasonable. My Canada's Wonderland squish pillows. My Stitch pillow that came with a sleeping bag. My knitted pillow that I made. My Stitch fro pillow. My Stitch stuffed animals, and my Stitch Build-A-Bear, and then my pillows. Here's my bookshelf. I keep all my books here and my special dolls and stuff. Then my Anne of Green Gables dolls, and then I have a bunch of pictures that I've drawn and colored over the years. I made that one on a Disney cruise, and that was the invitation to the Disney cruise that my grandparents gave me. That's a creepy picture that someone drew for me, probably one of my sisters. That's a Mandela flower that I drew in class that I was supposed to destroy, but I did not. That's a Rudolph that I drew myself, painted myself. That's a picture of me on vacation, and there's a bunch of Bible verses that I drew. Oh, and then that's me at my dedication when I was a baby. Here is my desk and my stationery area and my TV. I have a huge TV. So in here I keep all my stationery. In here I keep all my markers and pens. In here I keep all my cards and envelopes and stuff. And then in here I keep my rain balloon stuff. Forgot to mention, but this is also all my stickers and washi tape and stuff for making cards. Then over here I have all my craft supplies, and one bit is all my beads, one bit is all my embroidery floss, and then we have some other storage stuff. Then we have some pictures of my grandfather, my Catholic Leadership Award that I got in elementary school, picture of me and my sisters and my grandparents when I was younger, and a special china set that my grandma gave me for my birthday one year. And then we have some other Stitch stuff up here, a painting that I made. Over here we have my desk station. This is where I usually work instead of my desk, so we keep my computer there. Then I have a fro blanket from my great-great-grandmother. And in here we keep just random stuff, cards I guess. In here I keep my tech stuff, and in here I keep all my chargers, my switch, everything. And then I keep my water bottle here. Just above my little workstation I have a bulletin board, so I keep my Kahoot wall hanging on it, my pinwheel, a list of song lyrics that I like, a sticker, a rainbow, a cross, special pendant for my grandfather, a list of 100 reasons to live, then a little thing that I made at camp as well as that a friend made. Then there's a rainbow here, and then there's one more cross with a Bible verse on it, and then there's an affirmation sticker from my therapist. Forgot to mention, but I also keep my guitar beside my bookshelf. Over here are my vanities, so those are my clothing drawers, and then these are my craft drawers. So in here we keep extra stuff like chapstick and other stuff. In here we keep more embroidery floss. In here I keep all my stress toys. I know I have a lot. In here I keep all my cards because I like to keep them. Then here's my Starburst box that I made a long time ago. My sister painted this for me. I made this at a long time ago. I made all three of these actually at a pottery place with my grandparents. And then we have Ohana. And then there's me. On here we just have some clothes that I should have put away. A special teddy bear that was given to me as a baby. Has my name on the dress. And then this is a cross stitch that my great-great-grandmother made for me. This is just a cute magnet that I bought. Then we have my window. And then we have a picture of me when I was younger here, when I first moved here. It's of me in a Dorothy costume. Then we have my laundry, and then we have my guitar, because I have a left-handed guitar and a right-handed guitar. And then my posters and my clock. Then this is my other poster area, my Stitch posters. You can see all my stuffed animals and my rubber duckies. I know I have a lot. Then this is my workspace for my crafts. So right now I'm doing a paint by number, and underneath we have my bin of yarn and my bin of bags, because I have a lot. Then we have my special unicorn, which I love. I call her Uni. Then we have a stand-up mirror. You can see my outfit. Just wearing a sweater, my heritage shirt, and pants. Then we have my closet, which I keep all my lanyards up there. Cute little basketball hoop there. What else do I keep in here? Lots of sweaters, lots of dresses, a craft drawer like with other craft supplies, all my jeans, all my bags. I'm a hoarder if you can't tell. Here's my other vanity. I like to keep my pants in the bottom. There's nothing in the middle at the moment. And then in the top I keep all my uniforms because I work at a bunch of places and I do Girl Guides and I have a bunch of uniforms for all this stuff, so that's how I keep my uniforms organized. Right across the hall is my washroom, and I have this Ohana sign that welcomes people to my room, and then I have my happy birthday sign. Let's go into my washroom. So we have the Stitch bath mat. I have a lot of bath mats. My chair, my 2 sinks. We have my Stitch mirror. Then we have my toothbrush and toothpaste stuff, my hair ties, soap and a wax teddy bear. Then we have lots of Stitch stickers, even more there. I also keep my deodorant in this bin here. Over here we keep my wallflower plug to keep this washroom smelling good, and this pineapple thing that I painted with soap in it. We keep my LED lights that surround my washroom there, and then a painting from my grandfather that I was too lazy to take out of here, so it was just here when I got this washroom. Then here is my cabinet. I keep Q-tips here. I eventually throw them out, I'm just lazy. And here I keep all my hair products and stuff that I use, lotion and creams and stuff. Then down below we keep my hair ties on one thing, my headbands there, my shower products, hair clips, fake hair, my garbage can. I keep all my makeup in there, but I don't really use it often. I like to keep my bath towel up here, and then my bin of dog treats there, and my hair extensions on the bottom. I like to keep my swimsuits and my towels on the back of my door. Below the sink I keep my foot spa and my bath bomb, some of my bath bombs and my pads and everything, and my hair straightener. And then I don't know what's down here. Let's see. Oh, more hair stuff in my pads, I guess. My mom reorganized my washroom, so I am exploring. Then we have my hair stuff. So all my hair brushes and hair clips, and I guess another mirror. In here we have my shower with all my shower products over there. My soap, my loofahs, my towel from the other day, my cute bath mat, and I got these off of Temu with the shower curtain. It's really cute. And then my toilet and my garbage. So in this corner I keep some other shampoo and my toilet bowl cleaner and my giant tub full of bath bombs. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.